Hello, this is CPE 329 Project 1. Here's our keypad lock project. This is the lock screen. We added custom characters to show this little lock image. I will now type in incorrect combinations to demonstrate what happens. So, as you can see, the LCD returned back to the lock screen and then shook the lock back and forth to indicate that the combination was incorrect. So do it a few more times. Now I'll show the clear feature. Just pressing the asterisk will clear the keys that have been entered so far. And the correct combination is 1357. So I'm going to type that in. Display shows hello world and shows that the lock is now unlocked.